Greeting you to traders, and you're watching the daily market review in the financial analyst of Grand Capital Company, Sergey. And our daily heading is dedicated as traditional to the technical analysis of forex measures. And let's start our review from the first pair. Today, by the way, June of 22. And let's start our review. So, intraday analysis of euro and US dollar. The pressure is building on the week's low at 1.2520, following Thursday's weakness. The main threat is for a fresh wave of euro weakness below 1.2520, damaging the structure of the two-week rally from the 1.2288 direction low, and exposing the June 12 higher low at 1.2442. Corrective euro gains will be restricted by single print resistance at 1.2594. 1.2621 and 1.2641 from Thursday's market profile, and only above 1.2641 would suggest a return to Monday's 1.2748 peak is possible. Weekly chart of euro and US dollar trend is bearish. Next pair will be intraday analysis of US dollar and Japanese yen. The powerful uptrend of this week is set to extend to challenge the May 16 lower high at 80.56. However, there is room for further gains to meet the wave equality target at 80.90, as Thursday's strength confirmed the June 15 low at 78.61 as a higher low. Support at 79.75 limits the scope for corrective US dollar weakness. Weekly chart of USD dollar and Japanese yen trend is bullish. Next pair will be intraday analysis of, in Great Britain pounds and US dollar. What I have here, projected support at 1.5577 is under pressure, and a push lower towards 1.5455 is on the cards. Furthest sharp weakness leaves the week's high at 1.5777. Stranded, and the tone has become Great Britain pound bearish following the failure to meet the minimum upside requirement target at 1.5803. Corrective Great Britain pound gains will struggle to break above resistance at 1.5674, which protects the intraday lower high at 1.5730. And weekly chart of Great Britain pound versus US dollar trend is range. Next pair, intraday analysis of US dollar and Swiss franc. Projected resistance at 0.9595 is the focus of attention, following Thursday's US dollar strength. The June 15 reaction low at 0.9420 will be significantly strengthened on a break above 0.9595, prompting a fresh wave of US dollar bull pressure towards the June 12 lower high at 0.9650. Failure to break above 0.9595 would spark a corrective setback towards support at 0.9500. However, only below 0.9457 would re-expose the 0.9420 low. Weekly chart of US dollar and Swiss franc trend is range. And last pair will be intraday analysis of Australian dollar and US dollar. Support near parity is facing a hefty challenge following Thursday's sharp setback. The structure of the 3-week uptrend has been dented by Thursday's weakness, and a sustained break below 1.005 would clear the path through the weakness towards 0.9922 and the orthodox higher low at 0.9850. Australian dollar gains are restricted by resistance at 1.0105 and 1.0150. Weekly chart of Australian dollar and US dollar trend is bullish. So, my dear traders, that was all for today. It was me, Studio Financial Analyst of Grand Capital Company, Sergey. Thank you for your attention. I wish you the fair trends and, of course, good luck and goodbye. See you by next week, and I wish you the bright holidays. Goodbye.